Okay, here is my free 1975 John Deere 200. Friend of the family got him a new zero turn and gave me this one. It's got a flat tire. Took it off. Gonna have it fixed right there. Okay, so do I just fix the flat tire or do I restore the whole thing? I want to restore it. I like taking old things like this and restoring them to as new or comparable or, sometimes better, but I'm in my wheelchair here. Um, so I'm trying to decide. I think I just want to just take it apart and restore it. It's not hard. A little tractor like this is much easier than a car. One thing I noticed, the side scoops, whatever you want to call these hood vents. This one had these both sides have the little grill in it. The front there's a grill in the. Okay, let me try. Yellow. Okay, it's got a grill there. Grill in the front. I can fix that dent. Most of them have ribs. So this is anyway. Not that it means anything or special. It is what it is. This thing has been used. It's a 1975 model, and by the serial number there, we get to it. Whoa. I'm disabled, so give me a break. Okay, I gotta get this thing right if I can hold it. Sorry. Yeah. What is that? 103. I'll do a better view of that when I take it off. From what I can see, this is the 103rd one built, which is kind of really cool. Another interesting. Okay, let me get right here. This was sold at the Taft Implement Company here in Texas, South Texas, going towards Corpus Christi from San Antonio or Austin. Kind of neat. This thing was used on the third owner. Let me go around here. Um, Used on a regular basis since the early 80s. The person I got it from bought it in the early 80s and that's used it on her 2 acres for since the early 80s on a regular basis. Watch your tail, cat. I don't want to run you over. Watch your tail. Okay, come on, Bubbles. So it's been well used, but well maintained. Kept outside its whole life. Whatever they make this plastic out of on the steering wheel, man, that stuff is amazing. That stuff never cracks. They need to make more stuff out of that. See, it's got the grills on this side too. Not there, that's where the muffler is. It's all not bad, obviously. The gear shift is a little faded, so is the um, lever for that bad boy. That's faded, but that's easy. So my guess, do I want to just start taking it apart right now, or fix the flat and use it for? No, because the weather's nice. I can be out here doing it. I'm trying to talk myself into it's what I'm doing, and just showing this is my new, not acquisition because it was free. My new project. It's an easy one. That's why I want to do it. Being in a wheelchair like I am, I can't do cars anymore. Too hard, too much. This one here, all I gotta do is put up. I got a hoist gantry over there. I can just lift this whole thing up on one gantry and work on it. Yeah, it's got the original 8 horsepower. Um, what is that, K183? I think it is. I'm not an expert on tractors. Like I need a lawnmower. In fact, I never would have dreamed I was restore a garden tractor, but well, here it is. And these things sure look nice when they're done. John Deere green, they're kind of really cool. So this is just kind of a before video. I'm gonna do a whole lot of other videos for myself so I can remember where everything goes. I mean, I'm gonna get down to the frame, taking everything off, and I'm gonna uh, fix everything. The axle. I'm gonna get down here, degrease that, paint all that. I, it's not gonna be a riding tractor anymore. It probably will never mow another yard. Just a little showpiece, just for my house, just to give me something to do. So, well, here we go. I'll got stuck into another thing. I'll do it. I'll have fun doing it because it's easy. And with my crippled hands and my crippled feet, legs, yeah. All right, so look forward to more videos. Yeah. Well, let me know what you think. Of course, I think I know what you think. You're going to tell me to restore it because I really don't need it. I don't have a big yard. So anyway, all right, guys, be good.